Welcome back. Today, we're showcasing the premium TWOSUN TS525. At its core is high-performance baller M390 steel. Sourced directly from Baller Special Steel Shanghai, it undergoes precise vacuum and cryogenic heat treatment to achieve an optimal hardness of 60 to 62 HRC. Our premium M390 steel has always been supplied by Baller Special Steel Shanghai Company, Ltd. Backed by certified daily vacuum liquid heat treatments. Here is our official delivery slip and our vacuum heat treatment, inspection and quality report. Every M390 blade from TWOSUN must pass this rigorous standard. The TS525 features a satin finished blade, precision CNC hollow ground for outstanding geometry. The spine showcases a rugged stonewash finish, which extends seamlessly to this section. The handle scales are crafted from premium black carbon fiber, and this washer is our signature element. An iconic custom accent, machined from solid titanium alloy. Now, let's take a look inside. It features a robust, full-tank construction. The entire profile is solid, continuous M390 steel. Inside, we have skeletonized weight reduction pockets. And notice the clean, flat grind right here. Alright, let's reassemble the handle scales. Perfect fit. In hand, the ergonomics and overall grip feel exceptionally comfortable. Its slicing performance is incredibly slicey. Let's put the edge to the test with some paper and check out the factory sharpness. Look at that. Absolutely razor sharp. It comes complete with a custom Kydex sheath, featuring a versatile, heavy-duty steel belt clip. Lightweight, highly pocketable. It is the ultimate companion for travel, camping, and daily carry, etc. This knife is currently featured on our weekly auction website with a special discount, with bidding starting at just 99 cents. If you want to grab one, please head over to our official store at www.twosun-yanjiang.com. Thank you.